Hello all, welcome back to my channel Nagaraja Kumari DK Crafts. This is Kiyati here and this is Dharmasai here. Today we are gonna make sunflower cardboard wall hanging. Let us start without any further delay. Now first take the cardboard which measures 21 centimeters into 29.5 centimeters. Now cut the cardboard which measures 2.5 centimeters into 3 centimeters. This used as a bricks. And now stick those bricks like this as shown. First add the first layer like that and add the second layer between the first two bricks. Repeat the process and complete till the end. After completing the process, like this your base will be. Now take the tissue paper. Now take the empty container, glue, brush as well as some water. Now add the glue in the container as well as some water in equal quantity and mix it nicely. Now take the tissue paper, brush as well as glue plus water structure as well as your base and add the glue and stick the tissue paper as shown. Repeat the process and complete the pattern. This is the drawing of the vase. This template is in description box, please check. Now take your vase, pencil as well as the scale and do as shown. Now paint the vase. We are using these colors. You can use any type of colors. For 1-1 strip, we are using 1-1 color. Our vase after painting is like this. Now paint the base using brown color. For getting the brown color, I mixed yellow with red. Repeat the process and complete. After completing, your base will be like this. Now let us make this flower. For this, you take 4 into 4 centimeters pink color or any color paper and fold it like this. After folding, now just take your pencil and mark a curve and just cut the curve. Now open it. After opening, your flower should be like this. Now cut only one petal and then add the glue and join the other two petals. Now take your pencil and give some shading and add the glue and keep a half cut pearl or a pearl in the center. You need 8 flowers of the same type. This is homemade grass. How to make this grass, link in description box, please check. Now take your base and take the 2 layers of grass and stick as shown. Now take your vase and take the 8 flowers and then stick on the vase in the order. These are homemade sunflowers. How to make the sunflowers, link in description box, please check. Arrange the sunflowers and stick like this. Also stick the vase like this. Your homemade beautiful wall decor, sunflower wall decor is ready. Hope you all will try this. Hope you all like this. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.